Maybe we left it at the stove. It ain't just get up and leave.
It ain't right there. I'm sorry to yell at you, but it ain't right there.
He was finna call the ops. That's crazy.
Bro, why you play so much?
Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you want BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, and take the high road and hop in. Open up, OPN, OPN.
So today, y'all, we are on our way to the mall. How y'all doing?
Brittany's World.
What's going on? Say hey.
Hey.
That's Chris, y'all. If you guys are not subscribed to your girl, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button right there. Subscribe to your girl. Show me some love. But yeah, right now we on our way to the mall. Just to look around, do a little shopping. Not too much. You know what I'm saying? Your girl gotta get her hair done soon. So yeah, today we just gonna be making a lot of runs and y'all gonna be coming along with us today. I told y'all I'd be busy, so today I figured why not take y'all along with us today, right babe? So you're gonna come along with us and y'all gonna see what we be doing. You're gonna see today. So come along. Alright, y'all, we just made it to the mall. Check us out. Check us out. So yeah, I don't plan on getting too much. I'm hungry though, so I might get me a pretzel. I'm gonna show y'all them pretzels. Them pretzels be fire. And I'm hungry, so I ain't ate nothing today. It's my swag for today. Nothing much. But, hello. I got on no doggone clothes. Huh?
Think they sell masks here?
Probably.
Wanna ask her?
No. But I'm gonna pick the camera back up, y'all. Oh my god, y'all, it smell like heaven. Yes, right now. Ooh wee. Let me show you. Look at that.
It ain't even cool. It wasn't. It was down off that car. I'm sorry. It was the bubbles. Can I get some for you?
Can I have a pizza pretzel?
Pepperoni bun?
Yes. Yeah.
You want marinara or cheese to dip it in?
Yes, please.
Which one?
Sorry.
Or both?
A little bit of both.
You want both?
Yeah.
Alright.
And the cinnamon things. They look so good. See that?
Cinnamon nuggets?
Yes.
Are you taking pictures?
No, I'm vlogging.
Oh. You're vlogging?
Yeah.
Do you want anything like the icing to put in?
Yes, please.
Alright. You want something?
No, that's fine.
That'll be all for
Can you just leave me? Yeah.
you? $15.78.
Okay, y'all. So Charles just went inside of Wendy's. He went to go get me my natural strawberry lemonade. Let me know if y'all know about that natural strawberry lemonade. Go taste that. It is fire. I'm gonna show it to y'all when you get here. But he ran in there to get my drink real quick, and I figure right now is the best time to tell y'all I will be pranking him, y'all. Yes, I'm gonna be acting like somebody stole the car. We got a lot of moves to make today, so this is the perfect time to prank him. And I give this shout out to TJ. He gave me this idea, so shout out to you, boo boo. I'm gonna put his link down in the description as always. And yes, y'all, I will be pranking him, y'all. He is not expecting this. He is not expecting this at all. So this is the perfect time. Got my baby back there chilling. It's hot outside, y'all. It is hot. But yes, right now he is getting my drink, and I'm gonna come out and I'm gonna move the car somewhere. I don't know yet. I'm gonna wait till the perfect time. And yes, we're gonna be pranking him, y'all. So make sure y'all comment Team Brittany in the comments. And like I said earlier, if y'all are not subscribed to your girl, make sure you subscribe. Show your girl some love. Show me some love. Comment Team Brittany in the comments. What you doing? It's natural strawberry lemonade. Fire. Go order you from Wendy's a natural strawberry lemonade. I'm telling y'all, it's fire. It's fire. It's banging. They need to sponsor me now. Not that finna drink it all. It's good. Alright, y'all. Right now we finna, I think, go by Best Buy, and we have to go get this car cleaned because, like I told y'all in the last vlog, this car has to be cleaned, and we have not done that yet because we've been busy. So on our way to do that, and I'm gonna pick the camera back up when it's time to get to it. Okay, y'all, right now we looking for a case, man. We can't find no case, bro. No case, bro. So far we found this, but they ain't got. Look at every store. If y'all notice, bro, all the stores is running low on everything. Look, show them what you got, Chris.
Huh?
Show them what you got. What you got? What's that?
Spider-Man headphones.
I can't hear you.
Spider-Man headphones.
Oh, okay. But yeah, we can't find no, and I'm scared to have him walking around without a case on that tablet that he has, because that thing is big and nice. What you got, babe?
This might be what he need right here. The insignia, this probably like a universal for the tablets. It's like a little folder.
Yeah.
A little something.
It's something, but I don't know. I don't think he's that small.
You think it's bigger than that?
Yeah, it might be this size, but I'm not sure. Should we should be able to bring it back though, right?
Yeah, we can bring it back.
That's our best bet. But it's cold in here. I'm cold. I drunk that juice in the car and I'm cold.
You think it's big like this?
No. Nah, he don't need no keyboard all that extra. Well, he thirsty.
Yeah, much.
But wait, how big is this case? You think it's like this big?
We can go ask him what this is.
We don't know, y'all, but we finna get it together and then we're gonna get back to y'all. It's a book cover?
It's
oh, like, that's what it do? Like that? That ain't really no
case for it.
Right. So y'all, this is crazy. They ain't got nothing in here. Nowhere, actually. But we're gonna pick the camera back up.
I know you furious cause I'm bedded up and my damn is dancing. Hopping out of first class in another state, my plane just landed. All you have to do is play your role, I wanna left and stretch.
You scared?
No, I said I'm not.
Look at the pretty colors. I should roll your window down.
Definitely invested in their business. This is the type of stuff I was talking about. I sent the props for that. They definitely want to
First, y'all was awesome.
Yeah, it definitely want to catch that. Yeah, it definitely been upgraded.
Nice car wash. Alright. Into the car wash.
Eventually.
Hey y'all, look at him. He think he dripping, y'all. Check out his drip. Check out the drip.
Drip check.
Drip check, drip check. Hey, hey.
Doing
Damn.
it like me. Come on, dang.
But yeah, right now we at home. Get it? We at home. And we finna see about a new kitchen table, y'all. So come along with us. I told y'all coming for the day, so y'all coming for the day. Anyway. So look at them. We all got our mask on. Show them your mask. Show them the mask. Show them the mask.
I'm in here. Well, we're not.
But yeah, y'all, we finna look for a kitchen table, and you know, I'm gonna pick the camera back up when the prank is starting, y'all. Okay, y'all, I think I want this one. It's nice and small for our little apartment for now. So Clarence, or unless we get this and we buy our own tables, we can just get a cloth to put over this. Even though it's plain, we'll have to get our own chairs though.
Daddy,
And it comes, this
Daddy.
ends come down,
look.
so we can like put it up against
Daddy.
something,
Yeah, true.
or we can just go for this one. Y'all, the kids once said they wanted to play hide and seek in this place. I feel like we should play hide and seek for a minute. You want to play? Alright, hold on. Hold on, y'all. You gotta get out, Chris. We finna play hide and seek. Y'all better run. I'm finna count to 4.
No, how about
I'm counting to 4. No, I'm counting to 4. Y'all better run. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go catch them.
Eventually.
Okay, y'all, so it is now later on at night. I know your girl took all day, but it was not my fault. I tried to do the prank at the store, but unfortunately all the cars were gone. It was nowhere for me to park the car. But we have made it home. We've been home for a couple hours. He planned on going to the store, to the gas station in a little minute. And so I figured, let me hurry up and move this car so he can think he going crazy. Somebody stole our car, nigga. What you gonna do about it? So I'm gonna hurry up and move this car. I don't know what he doing in the house. I know he said something about going to the gas station in a minute. So I know that's what he got going. So pretty much what I'm gonna do right now is hide this car, y'all, as good as I can. It's dark time, so hopefully he can't see. And we finna act like somebody stole the car. Who stole my car? But yes, y'all, let me hurry up and park this car somewhere, and then I'm gonna pick the camera back up. Okay, y'all, I parked the car. Can't see it, but I parked the car, and now I gotta walk all the way home. I ain't think about that part. Did you think about that, TJ, when you gave me this prank idea? I gotta walk. But yeah, I'm gonna walk back home. I gotta see what he doing. Car's going past. I gotta walk. I need to go see what he doing, y'all. And we need to get his reaction because I know y'all been waiting long enough in this video, and it is now the time. But make sure y'all comment Team Brittany down below because I am breaking them bangers all day, every day. And yes, I do have some shout outs to give. I will be putting some shout outs at the end of this video. So make sure y'all go show them some love. Y'all go subscribe to them. Show them some love. But let me go see what he doing because I'm here now. Whew, let me go see. Okay, y'all. So Charles just left out the door to go to the car and look. Can you see him? He thinking he finna go somewhere. Where you finna go, bruh? Where you finna go? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Hey. think he finna? You think he finna? Where he think he going? He looking. Y'all see him? He looking around.
Hey, get that helmet. That's enough of the stuff.
Y'all see him? He coming. He finna go. That's my brother playing the game over there. Oh, he finna go. He finna come in. Huh? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong?
I just looking for the car, but I see it.
What you mean you're looking for the car? It should be out there. I don't understand.
No, I just look for the car and I do not see it. Like, I know where I just parked at. I hope dude ain't got no extra set of keys or nothing, man.
Wow, it should have been out there. We just came from
Bro, I just walked.
making all them trips.
I just walked right there where I just parked, bro. Come on, man.
I mean, maybe we can just go look. Let's go look. He getting mad, y'all. Come on, we parked down here. Let's go see.
No, I ain't tripping, man.
Well, let me turn on the camera so that way we can record everything that goes on. We parked behind this truck over here.
I know I ain't tripping. We parked right here. Right here.
Oh, it ain't right there?
Right next to this truck.
Oh. Or maybe you parked it this way.
I know I'm not tripping.
Maybe you parked it this way.
I know why I just left it. And I'm finna bug out, bro.
Man, you can't bug out. We
What
go
you mean?
because I'm pretty sure it's out here somewhere.
We just got that mug. Oh,
It's gotta be out here somewhere. I mean, it ain't just gone. It ain't just get up and walk away.
exactly. So where it's at then?
Maybe we can walk around this way. Let's just look for it. Let's look for it. Come on, let's look for it.
Stupid spider web. Irritating.
What?
Well, why is we even way over here? I know where I parked at. Why you trying to take me over here? I hope you ain't playing with me.
No. Why would I play about a new car we just got?
Really?
We just got this car.
Really? So where it's at then? Cause I'm finna text dude, cause I hope he ain't got no another set of keys or some goofy shit, bro.
No, I'm pretty sure he gave us. Well, I mean, that's a possibility, but I mean, I doubt it. Maybe
I know I'm not tripping. I know I parked right there.
we left it at the stove.
Now you tweaking, man. I'm finna call the police.
Where is you going?
What you mean? I'm finna have to call the police if somebody stole it?
No, you ain't gotta call them. We gotta look first.
Ain't nowhere to look. I know where I parked and it ain't right there.
Bro, I'm trying to tell you, it's gotta be. It ain't just get up and leave.
It ain't right there. I'm sorry to yell at you, but it ain't right there.
Okay, but don't you got the key?
I
So
got
if
the
you
key
still
and
got the
no
key.
car where I parked at,
Okay, where's you going, bro?
bro. I'm finna just call the police, man.
No, stop calling the police.
Man.
Stop calling the police, bro. It's just a prank.
What do you?
Stop calling.
Where it's at then?
Come
Why you
on, it's
playing,
over
bro?
here. You all calling the police.
Say to me.
Calling the ops. You calling the ops?
Nobody trying to call on ops, bro. You playing and shit.
You over here calling the ops, bro.
Police report, bro. You tripping. Playing too much, bro.
Bro, you over here trying to call the ops, bro. Dang, y'all.
Right now, everyone's playing too much.
And it's like that. I put the car way over here.
I shouldn't have never believed you anyway. Got the damn phone in your hand.
Shut up. Dang, that was a
Bro, where
good.
is it? Cause you playing.
It's way over here. You can't even see y'all.
Bro, you play too much, bro. You know we just got that. Ain't nothing to play about, bro.
I know, low key. I ain't trying to jinx nothing. All this stuff is getting in my shoe. But yeah, we got that boy. Make sure y'all comment Team Brittany in the comments. Cause I think I got that boy. He was scared. He was gonna call the police.
Nobody's scared, bro. You got to make a police report if somebody stole your car, bro. What you mean?
Bruh, he was gonna call the ops.
Y'all play too much.
It's all blurry.
I got time for that.
He was gonna call the ops. That's crazy.
Bro, why you play so much?
I mean,
Listen.
you been pranking me. Just because you been lacking don't mean I can't get you. It's
All
gonna,
for them. You gonna keep doing all this. All
it's
for
gonna
them.
forever be Team Brittany. Yes, it's for them. Dang. It ain't got dark. Come on, let's whip home. We gotta drive this bug all the way back home, y'all.
Tripping, man.
Okay. How you feel, babe?
Come on, man. You play too much, man.
I play too much. Come on, man. You know what's Team Brittany.
That's not even funny.
Yeah, 'cause I got that boy. You salty?
Man, you got me. You just play too much.
That's cool, because you be playing too much, too.
That's alright. Got something for y'all. Got something for y'all. Y'all wanna keep playing.
Hi, y'all. It is now late, as y'all can see. So it's time to close out this video. We had a long day. We took y'all with us. We took y'all with us today. So it is now time to edit this video and call it a night. See y'all in the next video. Peace.